Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well with good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friends, this is me Asya, and today I showed you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women. Many much more beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyling with beautiful haircut, very attractive and eye-catching hair dye, and so beautiful overall ideas in low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about hairstyling in low maintenance. Some ideas: fine hairstyle, fine straight hair with long bang, and so beautiful collection of messy hairstyle, and very beautiful ideas of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut, and so beautiful collection of messy hairstyle, and different ideas of hair dye, blonde hair dye, burgundy hair dye, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, and very stylish ideas of funky colors with a collection of and many much more beautiful ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please really support me. Support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support or help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video. Take care and bye bye.